Y'all, Trucker's Life, and we back, y'all. Y'all see Lava's tank back there? Yeah, my baby's in there. But we about to start this. Pretty simple. A little bit of ginger. Just a little bit. Don't want to put too much. A little bit of garlic. Oh, shoot. I forgot the important ingredient. I got to brown the flour first. For the roux. It's alright. The ginger just gonna cook with the flour. We're gonna get that cooked down and thickened up. There we go. We're gonna do that. We're gonna mix this around and let it thicken. But real quick, y'all, yeah, look what I found. I found 2 4-count shrimp. That means it's literally 2 to 4 shrimp per pound. That's one right here. Yeah, that's what I'm using today. It's gonna be like the shrimp steak kind of thing. All right, y'all, we're gonna get this sauce done. You see, nice and toasted. We're gonna put some garlic puree. This is not garlic paste, it's actual garlic. Let me close it so y'all see. This is actually just garlic that's been pureed up. The ingredients literally are garlic. That's it. So we're gonna put some of that in here. That's how thick it is. That's how you know it's just garlic. Seasoned pepper. We're not using regular pepper today. We're enhancing it with some seasoning pepper. Close it. Ginger, just a little bit because we already put a little bit in, as y'all saw earlier. There we go. Onion powder. Sorry. Oh. Oh, excuse me. Yes, I turned away. We got my pink Himalayan sea salt, my pink Himalayan salt, or pink Himalayan pink salt. There you go. We got paprika. And honey. Then we're just gonna mix it around. Just mix it around, y'all. Hey, tell me what y'all dressed for Halloween. Happy Halloween, by the way. Today is October 31st. Halloween, obviously. So I'm gonna let this cook down a little bit and then we'll finish it. Alright, y'all, we got this. Y'all see it's been thickened up, which means it's perfect timing to put the milk in. Alright, y'all. Time to put the last thing in. Well, yeah, I know. If y'all follow my page, you know I sun-dried habaneros. Put some of these in. I buy them fresh, and then I sun-dry them myself. This is gonna be hot, but hey, it's worth it. They're delicious. If you don't want to put the habaneros, you can do the regular. This is the bag I leave them in. I got another batch in my front window that are almost ready. But if you don't want to use those, you can just use these. They're not as spicy. They also don't have as good of a flavor. But here's the sauce that I'm about to put the shrimp in. Look, it's like a gravy. Look, it's like a gravy. Y'all see? Look at this. This is what your neighborhood trucker chef does. And then I'm gonna only use 2 of them. See, this is 1. That's 1. We're gonna put it meat side down. And then here's number 2. We're only using 2. That's how big they are. Look, I got a big head. Yeah, they big. My ex-wife and my daughter tell you I got a big head. Yeah, that one too. My bad. Alright, y'all, we about to plate up my dinner. We got these shrimp right here. Big ass shrimp. Put them right on top. And then this sauce, let me give it a quick stir real quick. It's like a gravy, y'all. It's like, oh, this is actually just like a damn gravy. This is like a spicy honey habanero garlic sauce. Danny, one of my followers, and I'm her follower because she started before me. Let's see, gotta pour that over the top. And then I'm gonna take the rest of this sauce and I'm gonna freeze it and make it again for something else. I will holler at y'all later. Truckers Life. I'm going Cowboys Nation, baby. Cowboys though. Cowboys though. Y'all see that helmet? Yeah, it's Cowboys, baby. I'm going.